3015 at the Polynesian. Husband and baby. You are directly off of the entrance on the 3rd floor. When you walk in, you've got a full-length mirror. We like to use this cubby for the stroller. There is a lock off to another room because they do not have 1-bedroom studios here. So sometimes if you're going to be renting or using your DVC points, you need to get 2 bedrooms instead of 1. To your left, you have the first bathroom, the sink, the bathtub for your little ones, of course the toilet. Closet, safe. You do have extra linens and a laundry basket, which is awesome because when we stayed at the Grand Floridian, it did not have a laundry basket and I had to use the laundry bags. Second bathroom, walk-in shower, another area to do your makeup, get ready in the morning. Really nice towel work in here. Love these showers. It's got the rain head, dual heads actually. The massage one, the handheld, don't really recommend using it too much. There's not very much water pressure coming out of that one. And then there's, of course, the step, which is awesome. I love that. Here's your little kitchenette area. You have a coffee pot, toaster, Joffrey's coffee, get a can opener, sponge, some soap. This is a good area for washing bottles. These are supposed to be stocked with paper plates, coffee cups. We have some extra paper towels up there, forks and knives. It looks like they're actually not stocked that well on those. We might have to get some more. And you have your little mini fridge. Oh cool, this one works. We actually changed rooms, and in our last room the mini fridge wasn't working so great and our milk went bad. You have recycling and garbage underneath the sink. Okay, so this is obviously a DVC studio room. So you've got your queen size bed here, or actually I think it's only a full. And then what I like about the Polynesian rooms is you have USB and plugs here. And if you're like staying at Grand Floridian or something, you don't even have these because the rooms are so much smaller that there's no room for them. And then, of course, you have to be watching this channel right now, the resort channel. And then you also have a day bed with a really fun detail. It's Lilo and Stitch. Love this. Look at that. Isn't that like super cute? Love it. This is great for like a 2-year-old. Caitlin isn't using this yet because she is still like a really sloppy sleeper, so we can just see her getting stuck between the wall and the mattress, so we don't use it yet. But soon, I can't wait. Okay, you have another pull-out couch here. So you can easily fit 5 in this room. This room is actually huge for studio room, which I love. Got some really cool artwork on the walls. Look at that, super tiki, I love it. And then your coffee table is also additional storage, which is super nice. Close that up. Then you have a mirror over there. You have a table and some chairs. Okay, so one thing I do want to talk about is we don't normally get resort mugs, but this time, you know, we decided to splurge and go ahead and get them. Funny thing, in a lot of the other DVC rooms, they do have, you know, soda machines. They don't here at the Poly. You have to walk all the way to the main building, which is kind of a drag because we're not that close to it. It's like a 10 minutes, so it's kind of not cool. Let's view outside. See if I can figure out how to open this. I haven't actually done it before. Okay, there we go. All right, so we are on the 3rd floor. This is our view. We have a Magic Kingdom lagoon view. And check that out. It is beautiful. This is why we love this resort. We actually just closed on a DVC contract, and now we are partial owners of the Polynesian Resort, and we are super excited about it. This does not mean we're going to stop staying at other resorts. We love just stopping everywhere, but this is going to be our home a lot of the time. So, on another note, yesterday when we checked in, we had asked for a higher floor, but we got placed on the 1st floor, and we were still lagoon view. But that's kind of stretching it a little bit. You're actually more of a bungalow view. The bungalows completely block your view to everything. You can't see anything other than the bungalows. And when the fireworks are going off, you can see the fireworks going off over the bungalows. Honestly, I don't think they should be charging as many points as they are for the 1st floor rooms. I think that they should just be considered bungalow view, and they shouldn't be calling it a lake view because you can't really see the lake. And it doesn't ruin the effect. The bungalows are pretty, but it's not what you want when you ask for a lake view. So there you go, guys. Hope you liked the tour. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment, okay? Let us know where else you would like us to stay, and we'll try to do that for you. Bye.